Diamonds on my pinky ring, dancing, dancing. Big booty bitch, keep dancing, dancing. Real trial niggas take chances. Flame with the double slow dancing. Real street bitches take chances. Flame with the double romance, dancing. Tattoos all over with she boozing. Acting stiff, but her booty keep choosing. In every neighborhood there's a Gucci. The neighborhood dealer with a Uzi. Baby started off right as a...
We finally have a lot we can ride at. We have permission to ride at. Can't get in trouble, I don't think. Haven't found out yet. We're gonna fuck around and find out. So here we are. I should probably take my plate off. But yeah, this is dope. Yesterday is my first day ever in my life trying Crazy Larry's on a 600cc bike. The only thing I've ever tried it on before this is a 125 Chinese dirt bike, and yesterday I got a couple of them done, and I'm super happy with that, the progress, and I'm gonna keep trying it. The goal is to get them really good. I want to learn how to drift. I want to learn wheelies. I'm gonna take advantage of this lot while I can. So that's what these next video is going to be. Next week's gonna be shitty with the weather, so I'm gonna do the fork seals on the Jigster. We're gonna pull off the triple tree handlebars and the cage, and that's all gonna get painted pearl white. I think that's gonna look really sick. I do like the yellow, but the yellow is just not my thing. I really think white was gonna do it for me. Exhaust, phenomenal. Love it. Can't complain. Up on the bike, practice my wheelies, practice some Crazy Larry's and drifting. The goal here soon is to get some new vlogging gear, so I'm gonna get a new camera, probably like the GoPro Hero 8 or 9 or something, and get the microphone kit for the helmet and everything. I got a helmet, but I really like the dirt bike helmet lately. I don't know why. I'll probably switch back soon, but you see I got it all duct taped up. Duct tape, electrical taped up. My tire's not doing bad, honestly. I like this whole drifting thing because it's not fucking up the middle of my tire. It's just perfect for me. But we'll get to it, boys. The drifting I've been trying today, I'm not as good as I was last night. Kind of lost it a little bit, but we're gonna try to get it back. I tried doing it in second gear, definitely not the move. First gear all day. Got it that time. Everybody's sorting his bag off. Alright guys, it's fucking hot. I got like one, I think, and a couple like decent little turnarounds. But I'm dying. I gotta take the sweatshirt off. Holy shit. Woo! Colin just pulled up. What up, bro? There you go, buddy. Dude, fuck yeah. Yo, is that dope or what? That's dope.
Going. That one was like fucking sideways.
Good job. You were doing a burnout and doing a wheelie that time. Yeah. That was dope. Hell yeah. Peace out, dude.